Okay, YouTube. We're gonna be installing a remote starter. And okay, YouTube. We're going to be installing this Pro Start. It comes with alarm. It's a 3-in-1 unit. We're gonna put into my daily driver Honda Civic, and yeah, we'll see. So, what comes with these manuals? Comes with the siren. Yep, siren. Wires for I think the starter kill, and not too bad remote. This is actually two-way, by the way. Means that the remote can receive a signal to the car and vice versa, to remote to the car. So that's two-way meaning. And this is the shock sensor. If I want to go fancy, I can buy this smart starter if I want to hook it up into my cell phone. The head unit, and the rest is another user guide and some other remote, some wires, antenna, and yeah, let's get it done. All right, so we began taking all the panels, bottom, steering wheel cover, and the top cover. So that's what we're gonna do first. All right, here it is. So remove pretty much all the cover, bottom, top, and cover on the steering. There's not much screw. Got a screw over here. The rest is just clips. So here we are. Here's the wire that we need for this particular car, but we're gonna cut it. We're gonna cut some zip ties and some cover up so that we can pre these wires. All right, the first bunch of wire, the big gauge, it's already installed. So as you can see, right, so the white wire is 12 volts, the blue is ignition, the orange is second ignition, and the yellow is the starter. And that's pretty much it for this part. For this wire, this is extra, you don't need this. Okay, this is the next wire. Yellow is a parking light, positive. Orange is your brake light. The black wire is the negative. Purple is your tack. The gray one is for the hood. Okay, your brake light would be the light green. On your brake switch. Okay, so your parking light would be the gray wire on your parking switch or your headlight switch, and besides the black wire. Okay, so your lock unlock would be on this plug in here. You gotta have to dig it out in there in order to get the lock and unlock. Okay, so for the parking wire here, a white orange, you gotta have to remove the center console. There's two screws there, and you should basically, you can lip it up. So for the siren installation, I like to put this in the front of the vehicle. Some people put it somewhere in the engine base, probably sometimes even in the firewall, but I like my siren in the front of the vehicle because it's more louder and easy to notice. So here it is. That's the siren. Alright, here it is. So that's the wire, and this is the shock sensor connected into the unit, just over here, and that's about it. I'm gonna put everything back, see what it's gonna look like. Alright, so we're going to try now. So I haven't put everything back, but this is just a tryout. So all the wire is tucked in, just the cover. So these particular settings, it's because this is a standard transmission, that you have to do it on what they call ready mode, so that you will not start the car when it's in gear. So to do the ready mode, I programmed the module to my handbrake. So now if I click this, if I engage my handbrake twice, it will set the ready mode. So like this. So let's say now you're in park, so you arrived to your destination, and now you want to remote start the car, because without the ready mode the car will not remote start. So ready mode, this is all you have to do. Engage the handbrake twice, and the second one you have to keep it on. 1, 2, then let go of the brake, and you can see it's flashing. That means the ready mode, it's engaged. And also on a remote, you can see there is an R. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there is an R there under the car sign. That means it's ready mode. Without that, the car will not start. So now the car is on ready mode. You can take the key with you. Take the key with you. Open the door, and then close it. So when you press the lock button, when you go out the car, obviously the car is still running. That way that you're sure that the car is in neutral, right? Because it's a standard vehicle. So you only do this on a standard vehicle, but the automatic, you don't have to do this crap. So when you press the button, you go out, press the lock button, go strip, lock. It will lock the door, and it will shut off the car at the same time, right? So now it says over here the door is locked. You can see the lock sign there, and then it will blink. That means everything is working fine. So now if you want to remote start it, all you have to do is just press the remote start button. You hold it, then that's it. There you go. Remote start's done. So I'll just put the rest of the cover, and should be good. Thank you for watching.